No, not everyone has a little ADHD. If I had $1 for every time someone said to me, you know what, everyone has a little ADHD, well, I would probably be a millionaire, and that's not even an understatement. Because if everyone had ADHD, psychiatrists won't spend 5, 6 sessions to diagnose them with that. And it's become so normal to say that everyone has a little ADHD here in India now. It's like anything that happens that is remotely a symptom of ADHD, everyone's like, you know what, I forgot my keys. I'm so ADHD. You know what, I forgot to do this. I'm so ADHD. No, Ria, you're not ADHD. Neither are you, Pankaj. Or Dridryansh or whatever they name kids these days. You're not ADHD. ADHD is not, oh, I get distracted sometimes. No, it's a proper neurodevelopmental condition, which means it starts from the childhood. It creates proper impairment in people, not just inconvenience. It actually affects your life in a very negative manner. It affects relationships, it affects grades, academics, jobs, work, professions, everything. I have at least dozens of stories of me missing out on interviews because I forgot to send a calendar invite or read a calendar invite, missing out on exams like Olympiads, and so much more that has completely ruined so many opportunities in my life just because I have ADHD. ADHD is when even the things that you love and care about start to feel impossible to start. For example, I love content creation, but there are so many weeks or months that I cannot get myself to create content, even though I love it so much because of my executive dysfunction. And saying stuff like, oh, you know what, I have a bit of ADHD so casually actually puts so much pressure on people who are actually struggling and even find it difficult to be taken seriously. So, yeah, if you think you have ADHD, definitely go ahead, get it assessed, get a confirmation. But if you think that you don't and you're just making it super casual, don't do that. Why would you do that? The entire point of this page here is that we do not turn any clinical condition into just a personality quirk. And that's why I'm trying to educate people, especially here in India, about ADHD, medications that ADHD people have to take, how the diagnosis works here in India, and everything else through this page. So if that is something that is of interest to you, I would suggest you definitely follow here. And in the meanwhile, if you're someone who is struggling or even hesitant to reach out to psychologists, do let us know in the comments. And people who are actually diagnosed and have their experiences with psychologists about diagnosis, do help the people out.